My name is Sophie Cox and I graduated from the Cordon Bleu in 2019 with a Certificate 3 in Patisserie. I'm now working full-time at Levebrooke Bakehouse and Patisserie as their head chef, and at home I bake cakes for my friends and family, and I've grown a large Instagram. My mum was always into baking, so I was always baking and helping mum in the kitchen. Started making birthday cakes when I was like 10, 12. I had a little cupcake stall at the markets when I was 14. Did it throughout high school and then just continued on. I heard about Le Cordon Bleu at a careers expo in high school. I went over to the stand and introduced myself, got some pamphlets, then got a tour of the campus, which was really awesome, and went from there. At Le Cordon Bleu I learned so many things, from croissants to macarons to laid cakes, the gateaux, entremets, all the fancy stuff, as well as all the basic breads and sponge cakes. I'm a bit of a cake nerd. I love to learn the science behind it, why you need to do everything you need to do. In my job now, when something goes wrong, I know where it's gone wrong and I can fix that. At Le Cordon Bleu you learn how to work in the workforce and the industry. I went to Melbourne for my placement, so I got to travel a bit with their connections. I went to Penny for Pound, which is a gorgeous croissant and cake place. I loved it there. Such lovely people, and they were so willing to teach and support me on my journey. Le Cordon Bleu were very supportive, always coming to visit me and checking in on me. I chose Le Cordon Bleu because I was really interested in travelling, and having that dual certificate was a really big benefit. I can have a qualification in Australia and work in Australia and then in Paris. So that's a big bonus if I'm to get work over there. At Le Cordon Bleu, I really loved how supportive the staff were and how they really took their time and their resources to follow you and your journey and take you through the process. I really appreciated that. They used their connections to help you get the placements you wanted, and their facilities are gorgeous. The advice I would give new students is learn as much as you can, ask as many questions as you can, because the chefs are there to help you and tell you everything that they know. Make good friends, because it's really beneficial in this industry to have connections everywhere.